Good afternoon, everyone. I'm meteorologist Danielle Kozlowski here with RotoCurve to give you guys the weather update for the Tuesday night games this evening. Thankfully, kind of complete opposite of yesterday. Really, none of the games are going to be an issue at all, which is awesome. Unfortunately, I think the one that is a problem will most likely get postponed, and that is the Texas Rangers game in Arlington. And I will go ahead and show you why if you haven't already heard. But Tropical Storm Bill made landfall this morning near the Houston area, and so that's what's going to be impacting central Texas over the next 48 hours. And then, as you can see, this is the National Hurricane Center map of it, going through Oklahoma and then southern Missouri, and then eventually affecting the St. Louis and Chicago and Indiana areas later in the week, and then over the weekend. So that will be the biggest issue today. Looking at Tropical Storm Bill, the radar over Texas, you can see that there is a huge amount of widely scattered showers and thunderstorms with this tropical system. That is going to continue over the next 48 to 72 hours. So tonight's game, I'm going to go ahead and say it's most likely going to get postponed. It's going to be really difficult with all these storms along the outer rain bands of this system, trying to predict when and how long they're going to last, especially with the heavy amount of rain that they have in the forecast. This is the National Weather Service office from Dallas, Fort Worth, and this is their little outlook on Tropical Storm Bill. And as you can see, the yellow is highlighted for the tornado threat, and then the green is the highest rainfall. And this is what is the biggest kicker, and why I think it'll probably be postponed, is because, as you can see, this like central corridor is saying 6+ inches of rain through Thursday morning. So it's going to be very nasty there in Texas over the next few days. So I'm going to go ahead and say, thankfully the Astros game, they have the roof, so they got really lucky. But yes, this Rangers game is just not looking too hot whatsoever. And that is really the only game I have for you guys that is a problem. The small two that might get a very, very short rain delay could possibly be Pirates game or the Orioles game. So Pittsburgh and Baltimore. And then also, don't ever forget about the winds out in San Fran today for the Giants game. Definitely will be a good factor there. Blowing from the west out to center field at about 12 miles per hour. Once again, I apologize for my webcam. It's kind of crapping out on me. We're working on getting a better one. So bear with us. And then if you guys have any questions, I will be on our Twitter account at WeatherDFS. And feel free to shout us out. Good luck.